Right then, Keira, so an absolutely stupendous performance in the last paper I marked, which was in the 70s. So let's see if you can maintain that standard this time around. What you've written there is 4 and 204, 5,204. For 52,004 it would be 4 and 4, and 4, 2,004, 52,004. So you're missing a 0. 6,700,000 is correct. 36 and 44, 37. Multiple of 8. 16 is a multiple of 8, but it's not in the list. So you're going to lose that mark, and that, careful there, because that looks like a 51 to me. I'm assuming it is 81. 7,600, 80,000, and you got them all there. Well done. And 5 packs can be bought. So 1, 2, you lose that 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there. 700 is correct. 23 is correct. And there, 7 pineapples is £5.60. So I'm not entirely sure what your method is there. So you're saying there 2 pineapples is £1.60, 4 is £3.20. You then made a huge leap to get 7. There's 2 marks here for actually explaining what you're doing, and you're not doing that at all. So you'll get the maths marks, but you won't get the quality of written communication marks. So 3, 5, 12, 14, 15 marks on that first page. Right, so your maths is right there. That's the answer we're looking for, 50. Now you've written x is 250 there, which is wrong. So you're going to get the mark because you've got that embedded correctly, but you've then blown it, working out what the final answer is. 350 is days. That is correct. But again, then that is wrong from there. So from that point, what you need to do is, first of all, take 30 off both sides to get rid of that 30. So you would then have 320 equals days times 40. Then you get the days on its own. You have to do the opposite, times it by 40, which is dividing by 40. 320 divided by 40 is the same as 32 divided by 4, which is 8. So you haven't done enough to earn any marks there. That one's right, that one's right, that one's right, that one's right, and so is that. Good. America, 30 out of 200. Good. 4, 6, 7, 8 marks on that page. Labeling your axes, that's great. 4 marks there. The perimeter of the shape, you've got the 4, so that is correct. You've added them up incorrectly though, because the answer you should be aiming to get is 48, so something's gone wrong there. You're going to get the method because you're adding, but you're going to lose that mark there, and this is correct, and you've got the correct units, so you'll get full marks for that. So 8, 10 marks for that page. So that was a good page. For this one, -3, 1, 3 is correct. The coordinates of the point 1, 3 add up to 4. Write down the coordinates of the point on PQ, which add up to 1. Unfortunately, 0, 1 is there, which isn't on the line PQ. So what they're looking for there is that point there. -1 plus 2 equals 1. So 15 cubes is what they've got to share between John and Denise. So if they're sharing those and John gets more, then the way that they would share them is 7, 8. And if John gets more, John would get 8 and Denise would get 7. And that's what they're looking for as the answer. I'll just check the mark scheme to see what 15 is worth. So you were going to get 2 out of 3 because you got the 15. 25 pence is good. 8 marks there. The 1x is right, the 7y is wrong. What you've got for y's is you've got a -2 plus 5. So on the number line, you're down there at -2. And you're going up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you end up at +3. So 1 mark there. T is 3 is correct. And with this one, P is -3. So that will be -6. So that one's wrong. Again, I'll just check the mark scheme for that. See if there's anything I can give you. Yeah, I can give you 1 mark for the +10. So you'll get 1 for that, 2 for that. Take a look how I go through that in the video clip. If you had a compass and a ruler, you should have been able to do it. 4 for the page. 0.31 is correct, 62 is correct, so is 47, well done. 75 is correct. Have a look at the video clip for that. That's actually more straightforward than the one that you got right, so I would certainly expect you to be able to do that. That one's correct. 14, 19, 13, 25, that's correct, but it's not 59 minutes. 25 past 13 or 25 past 1 to 25 past 2 would be 60 minutes, but it's 6 minutes less than that, so it's 1 hour less 6 minutes, which is 54 minutes. So again, let me just check the mark scheme for that, because you have put a method. So you get 1 mark for what you've written there, but your answer is wrong. With this one, 2 to 120, 2 to 60, 3 times 10 is 30, that should be 20, and that's where you've gone wrong there. So with this one, you get 1 mark for your method, your answer is wrong, but for yours, that is correct, so you'll get 1 extra mark for turning yours into index form. That one you should have been able to make progress on. We were practicing that last week or the week before. 1, 2, 3, 4. So have a look at the video clip for that. That one, you're just going to make everything twice as large. So again, watch the video. 14 is correct. Right, let's take a look at this. So 1:40 p.m. plus 4 hours 25 is 6:05 p.m. That is correct. 6:05 p.m. plus 13 is 7:05 in the morning, which is correct. And then unfortunately you've got to take the 8 hours off, not added on. Right, again I need to check the mark scheme properly for this one. So this is 16. So you've got 1 mark for that, and then you lose the mark there, and you then get the wrong answer. So the only mistake you've made is that you've added 8 hours on rather than take it off again. So here that should be 3x take away 2x, sorry, 5x take away 3x, which is 2x, and that should be 18 plus 12. So there's 2 mistakes there. So we'll certainly practice that. Your 3x plus 18 is correct, but you haven't got it in an equation. So you will get the mark for that, but then your method goes wrong from there. So 1, 2 marks for that page, and again watch the video clip for that one. Okay, so your best is 71. Let's see how you do. I don't think you're going to get that high a mark, but let's see. 15, 23, 33, 41, 45, 54, 58, 61, 63. Well, it's good enough. 63 is a C, so you're maintaining your standards, so I'm really pleased with that. And there's quite a few things in there that you've either left out when you watch the video, you'd easily put right, or your algebra is a little bit rusty, you need to practice formulas, substituting into formulas, solving equations. We'll certainly be doing that in class over the next few weeks. So, well done.